Supported housing project cost £300,000 to purchase the bungalow. Gross development value 896,000. What's the story? We are purchasing a bungalow to convert it into 4 supported housing units for vulnerable and disabled people. This is generating exceptional value through strategic refurbishment and specialised housing use. Project demonstrates strong profit potential with a projected GDV of 896,000 against a total cost of 502,000. So we are acquiring the building for £300,000, and then we're converting it from 5 bedrooms into 4 bedrooms, but specifically for 4 disabled or vulnerable people who are already earmarked to move into this building. And we're refurbishing to suit their particular disabilities. So it's a high specification project, and we're investing in a architectural and construction specification which will increase the value of the building. But the real value comes from the 15-year lease on the building, which means that we get the income for this project paid for 15 years for 4 people. So we are speculating on that lease being sound for the full 15 years, and in which case the profit on cost is a very reasonable figure, approximately 75%. Income and yield assumptions. Grimsby Supported Housing project generates strong returns as a result of the rental income and the fact it's 4 people occupying the building, and we're actually controlling the costs. There's some risk on the specification because there's the possibility of roof works being needed, which can be a big increase in the capital required to be invested in the project. So there is still some risk on this project, but we're managing and mitigating that risk so as to achieve the desired outcome. And in social terms, this provides accommodation for 4 vulnerable and disabled young women who will be occupying the bungalow. So the funding opportunity is £100,000 investment for this project, being offered a fixed return of 15% per annum. So the work should take approximately 3 months to carry out. So the investor will get their money back very quickly, probably in about 4 or 5 months. And we'll start to generate revenue from this converted bungalow after 4 months or so. So let's say January 2027. And the repayment on the loan would be immediately. We've got a commercial mortgage on the property. So if this sort of investment is of appeal to you, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. We can give you more examples of this type of project where there are short-term investment opportunities and good returns to be made for property investors. My telephone number 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539141257. You can email me at alan@alpressgroup.com. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/alanje. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you've got comments about it, and subscribe to our channel, and come back here for more great tips on advanced property investing.